Assalamu alaikum dosto and welcome back to another video. Today we will be exploring colorful words in English grammar that are called nouns. A noun tells us who or what is being talked about in a sentence. Anything you can see or touch is a noun. अंग्रेजी ज़बान में नाउन से ज़्यादा कोई और लफ्ज़ नहीं है. Now, what is a noun? Noun एक लफ्ज़ है जो किसी शख्स, किसी जगह, किसी जानवर या चीज़ है. Person. Here is the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and a boy called Javed. They are people and therefore they are nouns. Place. These are the pictures of Quaid-e-Azam Mazar in Karachi and Minar-e Pakistan in Lahore. Since they are places, they are nouns. Animal. Horses and cats are animals and are also nouns. Thing. A cricket bat and a train are things, and so they are nouns. To sum up, a noun can be the name of a person, a place, animal, or thing. Let's look at examples of sentences that contain nouns. Ahmed and Jamila are siblings. The nouns in this sentence are Ahmed, Jamila, and siblings because these three words describe people, and people are nouns. Karachi has many buildings. Karachi is a noun because it is a place, and buildings is also a noun because it is a thing. Sakina petted the cat. The nouns over here are Sakina because it is the name of a person, and cat because it is an animal. Take a moment to understand these nouns and how they are used in sentences. Irfan and Qasim are having a conversation. Qasim, let's go to the zoo. Sure, Irfan, I can't wait to see the tigers. Excellent. We can take the bus. Rewind the conversation and try to spot all the nouns. The nouns in Irfan and Qasim's conversation were Qasim, zoo, Irfan, tigers, and bus. Nouns help us to communicate our thoughts and ideas clearly, as we can see in Irfan and Qasim's conversation. Almost every sentence has a noun. Look around you and observe all the nouns. They are everywhere. Khudafiz dosto, and see you in the next video.